Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Marriott Bonvoy points. Now I just want to start this video by saying I have actually included a link to this page at the top of the description. So if you are looking to buy some points, go ahead and click that link and it will be brought straight to this page and it will save you having to look around their website for this page. So once you are on here, we can go down a bit until it says buy points. And we just want to go ahead and click this button that says buy points. Now once you click on that, you will be prompted to sign into your account. So just go ahead and enter your email or member number and password and then sign in. Now as you can see, my account is not currently eligible, and that's because I've only made an account recently. Because you do have to be enrolled as a Marriott Bonvoy member for a minimum of 30 days. So if you've had an account for longer than 30 days, on this page you will be able to choose how many points you want and then enter in your payment details and billing address. And from there you will be able to buy your points that will be instantly added to your account. But as I said, you will have to have an account for at least 30 days or it will not let you do this. So that's how you can buy Marriott Bonvoy points. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.